Hi friends, welcome back to another video. So today I want to share with you a very simple but delicious recipe of these incredible blueberry oat muffins. These are no eggs, no dairy, but healthy and tasty. So let's begin. So it all starts with the dry ingredients. For this recipe I'm gonna use old-fashioned oats, but quick oats would work just as well. In a large bowl we're gonna combine oats, oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, you can use coffee grinder to transfer raw oats into oat flour. Then we're gonna add coconut sugar or brown sugar, sea salt, baking powder and baking soda. Whisk everything well until all combined. Then we're gonna mix wet ingredients. In a small bowl, combine oat milk, olive oil, chia eggs. I just soaked 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in the warm water for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna add Greek-style almond milk yogurt. Whisk well so it's truly combined. And then we need to transfer wet ingredients into dry ingredients. If you want, you can add more sweetener. I added a little bit of agave syrup as well. Mix everything well and then add blueberries. If you don't have blueberries, any berries would really work in this recipe. Give it a stir until everything is combined. Then we're gonna scoop a mixture into a muffin tin. I'm gonna line my muffin tin with parchment paper liners. I love this for baking. I'm gonna drop a full scoop into each my muffin cups. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25-30 minutes until they are nice and golden on top. So these muffins are absolutely perfect, golden on top but still soft and chewy in the center. I hope you'll give this yummy, healthy muffins a try. If you do, be sure to tag us on Instagram on your photo. I love seeing your kitchen creations. The full recipe you can find in the description box below. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more healthy, delicious recipes. See you next time. Bye!